Positively Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga Delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Okay, so best advice that I've heard from Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon.com. So, ano ba yung best advice na binigay niya sa atin in facing the future? Lalo ngayon, in facing 2019, okay? So, I just watched it, ngayon lang, a few minutes ago. So, hindi ko mapigilan na i-share sa inyo yung advice ni Jeff, okay? Ni Sir Jeff Bezos, alright? So, pero bago yan, announcement tayo, January 20, nasa Taiwan tayo sa Taipei. So, message nyo ako sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga, and FB account para ma-send ko po sa inyo ang aking details. And dito sa Pilipinas, sa lahat ng mga gusto magpa-coach financially, investment, or if you want to start your own business, so I can help you. And kung meron ka na existing business, gusto mo siyang mag-grow, dumami ang yung mga clients, customers, inquiries, I can help you with that. So just message me sa aking number 0939-5254-311. Okay, so best advice ni Jeff Bezos, sabi niya ganito: you need to be quick and do your thing at a high speed. You need to be quick and do your things at a high speed in facing the future. Best advice para sa akin na narinig ko ngayon before mag-start ang 2019. Okay? So, you have to be quick. You have to decide quickly kung anong business ang sisimulan mo, kung anong investment ang sisimulan mo, kung anong career ang tatahakin mo. Decide very quick in facing the future. Kung hindi, kakaisip mo pa lang, kaka-analyze mo ng maraming bagay, ayan na yung future, nasa kalagitnaan ka na ng future. Okay? At mahirap bumalik, mahirap ibalik ang time. Yung nasayang mong time sa pag-evaluate, pag-isip-isip, mahirap. You know, that's what I did when I started my YouTube channel. My speaking career, my coachings, lahat ng mga ginagawa ko ngayon at present, that's giving me a lot of money. I started quick. Pag naisip ko, immediately, ginagawa ko na po siya. Wala akong maraming tao na miniting, kinonsult, dapat ko ba itong gawin? Wala tayong ganon. Basta I started quick and at high speed. You start quick and at high speed. So, pag nakapag-decide ka na ito, magdinegosyo ako, ganito, mag-online business ako, then you do it at a high speed. So, if there's a need for you to wake up earlier, kung may kailangan, hanggang gabi gumawa ka, then you do it. Kanina lang din, kay TV, hindi ko siya nakausap. Napanood ko ang kanyang YouTube, sabi niya, I'm working 18 hours a day. Imagine that. Working 18 hours a day. Do it at a high speed. Okay? So, yan ang sikreto natin ngayon. Ito yung sikreto natin ngayon, 2019, in facing our future. Decide quickly. Do it at quick and at a high speed. Hindi pwedeng mabagal. Ako, nag-upload how many videos. Alam niyo po ba kung ilang videos na-upload ko a day? Dagdag pa ako ng channel ko. How to... ang bago kong channel, please visit it. Victorious Christian Life. So, para sa mga Christians, may isa akong channel. And now, dati, 4 na videos lang ginagawa ko. Ngayon, mag-6 na. And tonight, may coaching pa tayo. 1 or 2 coaching a day. So, high speed, high level. Kasi yan na yung future eh. Lalo ako po, naghahabol ako. I'm already 45. And nag-start lang akong baguhin ang buhay ko, finances. I think, very late. Very late. I came late. To be honest, I came very late. Okay? That's why I'm doing it quick and at high speed. Okay? So, how about you? Nakapag-decide ka na ba? Are you doing it quick? Meron ka na bang naisip na gawin? Naisip mo na ba? Then, start it. Kung nakaisip ka na, simulan mo na siya. At pag nagsimulan mo siya, mabilis ang paggawa mo. Mabilis. Wake up early, extend some hours, exert your effort. Okay? So, this is the best advice na narinig ko from Jeff Bezos na pwede rin mo rin gamitin para sa when you face 2019. Okay? So, bigyan natin kahit OFW dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayo mabago at tumulad ng ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!